Bit of breaking news here. UK manufacturing data has come out at 6.5-year lows. Now this is very ominous given what's happening this week as we have a new list of candidates looking to put themselves forward as the new Prime Minister. What you can see off the back of that data is a 30-point fall in the pound. Very volatile trading session already this morning, down 0.63%. Let me switch over to a daily time frame where we can see how this support plays out short-term and a long-term one. We can see on a shorter-term time frame, since the month of June, the market is really consolidated around this 126.85 mark. Now, a break lower of this could see the market come back down to this key weekly support at the 125.80 point, which held at the end of May. Now, this also depends on who puts themselves forward for candidacy. A lot of people expecting Boris Johnson, Michael Gove, or perhaps Jeremy Hunt.